Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot on HOTWAV Note 12. And to do this, first we'll need to open any app that allows us to scroll down. In this case, I'm going to go with the settings. Make sure that you're also on top of the page, and then let's find the power key, which is located on the right side right here, and volume down key right there. Click on both of the buttons at the same time, and then select the capture on the pop-up. And here you'll be able to adjust the size of your screenshot. So let's make it full page, and then select save in the top left corner of the screen, and you'll get yourself a full page screenshot in your gallery. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.